I have not slept since yesterday as well. Alright, so I'm up. I'm going to try and get some plywood for some windows that are at my complex here, and hopefully I can do that, and maybe get some water for some people that don't have it. That's what's on the agenda for today. Let's see if everything works out. It's going to be round 2 for some water for some people who don't have a car and can't get anything. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. Check this out.
You can grab the ladder, sure. It's up front.
Around 5:30, the storm, or the Hurricane Irma, is expected to hit about, I believe, Sunday at 2, and it may go up the west coast, the way the tracking seems to be, but of course you have no idea where it is and what it's going to do. And I literally have not slept yet since yesterday. It's just a matter of nerves or something, you know. So I just got everything done that I thought that I could do, and I thought that I was going to leave. I thought I was going to evacuate, and just the way timing worked out with getting plywood and doing whatever I did, I ended up getting plywood from somebody that gave me a couple of sheets of plywood, and then I in turn used one of those sheets of plywood and then gave away another sheet of plywood to somebody that I know could help. So I feel good. And the funny thing is prior to me getting the 2 sheets of plywood, somebody was going to give me a sheet of plywood. It just took too long. So, and I didn't hear from them. I messaged them and I didn't hear anything. So, you know, I started to panic a little bit. And somehow it just worked out though. All right, I'm going to try to videotape or show everything that occurs as I can do. Storm, so even if it's side skirts one part of Florida, it's still going to affect the other part. Currently right now at 5:30, it seems like it's going to go up the west coast, and I am a little bit relieved. I am also heartbroken that it doesn't, like, it just means because it's going to miss me, now it's going to hit somebody else, and I don't wish this on anybody. I do have family in the path on the West Coast side, and everything's gonna be okay. I am terrified of this, even though just sustained winds of 150 miles an hour for 12 hours. Can you only imagine? That's somebody just pounding on something, anything, with a hammer for 12 hours. It's going to be just a catastrophe. And my only problem is that of everything that I tried to take care of and work with and find and do, I do not have enough memory. So I'm going to try and play some games with some memory that I have and delete some things and stuff like that. All right, guys, take care. Hope everybody's safe that sees this, and I know. And yeah, you know, you just never know when shit's gonna hit. Take care. That might be the last bit of sun rays that I'm gonna get for the next 48 hours.